my channel. It's your girl Alese, and y'all already know I'm out here living my best life, and you should too. That's the best way to do you. So today I'm doing a review on ReadyWig. They sent me a wig and I'm so excited. So the box says ReadyWig. It says, I love that we met and I hope you enjoy the hair at www.readywig.com. And then here's the wig. It's a blonde. We going blonde today, honey. And then it comes with a card that basically explains how to work with the hair. So I believe this is a 13x4 frontal. So the parting, this is how the top part looks. It comes with 2 combs on the top, and then there's 2 combs on the bottom, and of course a hair tie to bring it tighter. Okay, well, I have a really big head. We'll just say that. That's definitely facts. Alright, well, we have a lot to do with this wig because, honey. Alright. So this is the finished look of the blonde wig for your dark skin girls out there, my melanin girls. I hope I slayed it and laid it for y'all. This is a quick little save and slay. Once again, get into the synthetic wig. Y'all can save your coin all summer 2019. Thank you again to ReadyWigs for sending me this wig. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below what y'all want to see next, because I'm here for y'all on the road to 1K. Let's hit 1K before the summer's over, you feel me? And I'm on the road to 1K. never forget it. Love y'all so very much, and always and never ever forget, love life, love you, and do you, boo. Period.